I'm here with Jeanne this morning at the baked goods drop-off, and she's an experienced baker here to give you some tips and tricks on getting started. So how many years have you been exhibiting?
Oh, I'm guessing approximately 8 years.
Okay, and what's one of your most favorite experiences here at the State Fair?
Meeting a lot of people that have done it for years. This one lady that was in her 80s, and she's getting out of the car, and everybody's running up to interview her. It's kind of cool.
Awesome. So as an experienced member, what kind of tips and tricks would you have to new bakers wanting to start out and compete at the State Fair?
Be persistent. I've had a cake fall as it came out of the pan on morning of delivery, and we turned around and made another one and brought it up warm. So don't quit.
So can you tell me, have you won any big prizes at the State Fair?
No, I'm just lucky if I come home with a blue.
Well, that's exciting. Can you want to tell us a little bit about what you baked for us this year?
I've got a lemon pound cake, Danish puff, which is a Danish pastry. It's underneath to keep the frosting from running, and then traditional ginger snaps, and then a banana pecan bread.
Okay. And for bakers who are just starting out, would you recommend that they try their recipes beforehand and experience?
Several sessions of practice, and then have a couple of family members help taste. More than one person to pick out the exhibit samples.
How many years have you been attending the State Fair?
Let's see, we'll put it at about 47.
Well, good luck this year, best of luck, and I hope the judges like what you made.
Thank you.